Senator Ademola Adeleke as the Asiwaju of Ede land and his 64th birthday anniversary, launching of an appeal fund for the construction of an modern palace for the Ede land of Dr. Morodin and the Adeleke, which is holding today on the 12th Sunday, May 2024 at Tilis Palace. From that title, you know that the program of tomorrow is 3 in 1. By providence, the governor, Senator Ademola Adeleke, will be 64 tomorrow. Tomorrow is his birthday celebration. To commemorate that, the cabinet has thought it fit to celebrate that year in conjunction with all the chiefs, sons and daughters of Ede land, to give him the title of Asiwaju of Ede land. And 3, we want to use that occasion because they say to whom what is given, what is expected. To equally launch an ultra-modern palace befitting of an Ede status for this palace tomorrow. So the program is 3 in 1. Chieftaincy title coronation, birthday celebration, and launching of palace funds. So the distinguished member of the 4th Test of the realm is glad in her heart to welcome you all to this press conference as a prelude to the official installation of the Governor of Osun State, His Excellency, Senator Ademola Adeleke, the Governor of Osun State, as the new Asiwaju of Ede land by the TB of Ede, Oba Dr. Morodin and the Minister 1. As you can see, with all the euphoria that has enveloped the state preparatory to the D-Day, which is tomorrow, Monday 13th of May 2024, I want to bring to your knowledge that all things being equal, by the special grace of Almighty Allah, also is ready to hold the world tomorrow in Ede and by extension, the entire Osun State. As a way of recall, the last occupant of this highly prestigious, traditionally important and culturally symbolic title of Asiwaju of Ede land, until his death in 2017, was no other person than the first civilian governor of Osun State, Alhaji Senator Adeleke, who was the elder brother of the incumbent governor, Senator Ademola Adeleke, who is about to step into the shoes of that title tomorrow by the special grace of God. At the colorful symbolic installation tomorrow, which coincides with the Excellency's 64th birthday, His Imperial Majesty, the King of Ede land, Oba Dr. Morodin, who is also the royal host, will lead an array of members of the Council of Ede to confer the honorary chieftaincy title of Asiwaju of Ede land on his son, His Excellency, Governor Ademola Adeleke. The installation, which will take place at the Team Palace Square, Oja TV Ede, by 11 a.m. tomorrow, by the special grace of God, also coincide with the governor's 64th birthday. While we rejoice and radiate in the glory of God for being good to our governor, for sparing his life to live up to 64 years, as we pray for more years of fruitful service to God and humanity. It gladdens our hearts to add that the program will also be used to launch a multi-million naira appeal fund for an ultra-modern palace for the King of Ede, Oba Morodin and the Minister 1. The Anoli Odua and Chairman of the State Council of Obas, Oni Adeayo Kuwusi Ojaja 3, Ojaja 2, is going to be the royal guest of honor at the 3-in-1 event. At this juncture, gentlemen of the press, you may want to know what informed the need for His Imperial Majesty, the King of Ede land, to convert the title of Asiwaju of Ede on the symbol of Emmanuel of Osun State, His Excellency, Senator Ademola Adeleke. The reasons are quite many, but not far-fetched. Simply put, the conferment of the title of Senator Ademola Adeleke is at the instance of no other person than His Royal Majesty, Oba Dr. Morodin and the Minister 1, in acknowledgement and recognition of Senator Ademola Adeleke's contributions to the growth and development of Ede land in particular, and Osun State in general. In the same vein, the highly revered and respected team also took into cognizance the enormity of the entire Adeleke dynasty contribution to the growth and development of Ede, Osun State, and Nigeria at large. In other words, it is just a way of showing appreciation not only to His Excellency, the Governor, but to the entire Adeleke dynasty of Ede by the teaming of Ede land and all its chiefs in collaboration with sons and daughters of Ede land. You can imagine the import of the installation and its attendant significance not only to the people of Ede, where the Adelekes came from, but also Osun State in general. While we are set for the program, we want to announce that Africa's richest man, a business mogul and philanthropist, Chairman Dangote Group of Company, Alakija Dangote, is going to grace the occasion as the chief launcher and the chairman of the occasion, while the chief executive officer of Bofas Petroleum, Chief Mrs. Victoria Adola Samson, Mama Bofas, is the co-launcher. For their father, another statesman, the emperor of who himself, and former president of the Federal Government of Nigeria, Chief Obasanjo, who is going to be the father of the day, alongside Africa's richest woman, business mogul and philanthropist of note, Mrs. Alakija, as the mother of the day. It will not surprise me that Obasanjo has been in Osun State for the past 2 days now, and is about to commission one of the magnificent buildings constructed at the Govs of Osun State as we speak here now. It's gladdening my heart, sir, to add that the program will also be used to launch a multi-million naira big fund for the KBC. The governor of Osun of Oyo State, Engineer Makinde, is the host governor because he's going to host all other police governors from different states of the federation at the 3-in-1 ceremony, while the chairman, CEO, Pacific Holding Limited, and President Adeleke University, and then Dr. Adeleke is going to be the chief host. On behalf of the Central Planning Committee, I wholeheartedly welcome our distinguished guests from all walks of life to tomorrow, and by extension to Osun State. We also want to see and describe tomorrow's program as another avenue for the government and group of Osun State to show the hospitality, friendliness, and conviviality of the state to the area of dignitaries from different parts of the world that are coming to Osun State tomorrow. To this end, a planning committee under my watch as the chairman is using this opportunity to appeal to the good people of the state not to be found wanting in the exhibition of the issuer of honorable ethos to the teaming dignitaries before, during, and after the program on Monday. Gentlemen of the press, I thank you very much for your kind attention. God bless you all.